Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SKS Tech back with another video. So recently Apple released iOS 14.5 beta version to the developers, and in iOS 14.5 you can set Spotify as your default music player. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do that. So previously till iOS 14.4, if you said play music or play and a specific song name, it would take you to Apple Music. But now if you say play faded, as you can see, it gives you a list of music players that you can play the song with. Obviously this is still in beta and it is showing books and dark noise as some music players, but you can see there is Spotify and even YouTube music. So if you tap on Spotify, it will say it needs to access the data. Tap on yes, and as you can see, the faded music starts playing from Spotify. Currently only Spotify and YouTube music is supported, but now that you have selected Spotify, if you just say another song, it will automatically play from Spotify. So let's try it. Play Starboy. As you can see, it automatically played from Spotify and didn't give me anything regarding Apple Music. So now Spotify is set as my default music player. So guys, that's pretty much it in today's video. If you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.